Hey there, speed freaks. Welcome to the TLT channel, your pit stop for everything fast and furious in the automotive world. Here, we celebrate the passion for speed and the thrill of racing. And today, we're diving headfirst into one of the topics that makes a gearhead's heart beat faster. Pure speed. Get ready for an electrifying journey. Buckle up, because we're going full throttle into the world of the 10 fastest cars on the planet. We'll explore every detail of these incredible machines. So get ready to feel the G-force, because the race starts now. Don't blink, because every second counts. We start our list with a car that's practically a rocket disguised as a car. The Bugatti Bolide. This car isn't just fast, it redefines the concept of speed. This isn't the kind of car you drive to the bakery on a sunny Sunday morning. It's made for those who seek pure adrenaline and the thrill of driving. It's a track beast, designed to dominate circuits with relentless ferocity. Every curve, every straightaway, is an invitation to explore the limits of automotive engineering. With an estimated speed of over 300 miles per hour, the Bolide pushes the boundaries of what's possible. It's an experience that few will have the chance to live. Look at this design. It's as if an artist sculpted a masterpiece using speed and power as their tools. Every line, every detail, was designed to maximize performance and aesthetics. In second place, we have the SC Tuatara. With a recorded speed of 331 miles per hour, it's the current king of the asphalt jungle. With a sleek and aerodynamic design that seems to have been sculpted by the wind itself, the Tuatara cuts through the air with the precision of a falcon in a dive. Under the hood, a monstrous engine just waiting to be unleashed. Introducing the Hennessy Venom F5, an American marvel that promises to break the 310 miles per hour barrier. The Venom F5 is the result of years of research, development, and a relentless obsession with speed. It's the kind of car that makes you question reality as it disappears into the horizon. Chapter 4. McLaren Speedtail, the Silver Arrow. The McLaren Speedtail isn't just a car, it's a work of art on wheels. With its flowing lines and elegant design, it looks more like a futuristic private jet than a car. With a top speed of 250 miles per hour, it's one of the fastest cars McLaren has ever produced. Chapter 5. Rimac Nevera, the future of speed. Who said electric cars can't be fun? The Rimac Nevera is here to prove that the future of speed is electric. With a top speed of 256 miles per hour, it leaves many of its gasoline-powered rivals in the dust. And the best part, it does all of this without emitting a single gram of CO2. Chapter 6. SSC Ultimate Aero, the Veteran. It may have been dethroned as the world's fastest car, but the SSC Ultimate Aero still deserves a place on this list. With a top speed of 256 miles per hour, the Ultimate Aero is still a force to be reckoned with. Chapter 7. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300+. What can we say about the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300+ that hasn't already been said? This car redefines the concept of speed and luxury. This car is a legend, a true icon of modern engineering. With a recorded top speed of 304 miles per hour, it's one of the fastest cars ever produced, an impressive feat of technology and design. But the Chiron is much more than just raw speed. It combines performance with an unparalleled level of sophistication. It's a celebration of the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Every detail has been meticulously designed to offer a unique driving experience. Chapter 8. Hennessy Venom GT, the American Monster. Based on the Lotus Elise, this car is the automotive equivalent of a bodybuilder. With a top speed of 270 miles per hour, the Venom GT is one of the fastest cars on the planet. Chapter 9. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, the Speed Hunter. Straight from Sweden, we have the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, a hypercar designed with one goal in mind: top speed. With an estimated top speed of 300 miles per hour, it certainly doesn't disappoint. Chapter 10. Bugatti Veyron Supersport, the Pioneer. When it was released in 2005, the Veyron shocked the world with its top speed of over 250 miles per hour. The Veyron may not be the fastest car on this list, but it's still an incredibly capable machine, and its place in automotive history is secured. And there you have it, folks. The 10 fastest cars in the world, each one a marvel of engineering and a testament to the relentless pursuit of speed. But the question remains, which of these incredible cars is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep the rubber on the road and the adrenaline high.